Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel AgriEdit. I am Ari Prasad and this is the ICAR counseling videos of 2023 for ICAR, JRF and SRF exam. So in this video, I will be explaining in detail the step-by-step procedure on how to visit the ICAR counseling and how to log in and what are the details that you need to enter, the list of documents that you have to upload. So I will be giving you the complete details of all these things until choice filling. So watch the complete video till the end so that you will get a clarity on all of these things, so that you keep no doubt and you don't do any mistakes while doing this procedure. Okay, so before I start, I would like to give one suggestion to you all. So if you have a laptop or desktop, please use it to complete this process instead of the mobile. In the mobile the interface is not that friendly, and in the laptop it is so friendly, and you can avoid the mistakes or the simple errors that is most frequently occurring in the mobile. So if you have a laptop or desktop, please just prioritize that one and do complete all these procedures from laptop or desktop only. So all you need to do is open any browser, just for example open Chrome and just search for ICAR counseling. So the first link, it's about icradmission.in. just click on this link. So this is the home page. So before logging in, the applicant login, make sure to do these three things. One is download the information bulletin for PG and PhD. If you are for PG, download it for PG, or for if PhD, do it for PhD. And second thing is the counseling bulletin. The PG and PhD, they are separate, just download them and go through the complete details that they have mentioned. And lastly, it is about the course fee structure. The fee structure from the university to university differs, so make sure to see the fee structure before you opt these colleges in your choice filling. So these three documents are very much important. Kindly give some time and read the complete document before you do this procedure. Okay, once you have done all these things, just click on the applicant login. And also you can watch our YouTube shorts videos. In a certain playlist, I have given you the videos where I have explained in detail about this counseling related things that are very much important for all of you. So now just click on this applicant login. Yeah, so you can click on sign in and you can enter your ID and password. Okay, so once you have logged in, just click on this register for seat allocation. Before that, if you have not downloaded your rank card, you can click on this rank card and download your rank card again. So now I'll just click on the register for seat allocation. Now the status will be incomplete and the course name will be showing. In case of MSc, it will be PG, and in case of PhD, it is PhD course. So you have to click on this edit or view. Now it will start from the application detail, that is the first stage. Second stage would be the upload the photo and signature. Third would be educational detail. Fourth is document detail. Fifth one is preview and confirm. After that you can pay the fees. So now I click on this application detail. Here you have to fill all these things. Once it is filled, you can click and proceed. Next is, in the second stage, you have to upload your photo and the signature freshly. So once you have done it, you just click on save. So now in the third step, you have to fill all this necessary things starting from 10th to post graduation if you are applying for PhD, and graduation if you are applying till for MSc. So I will be just filling all these things. Once you have successfully filled all the details, you can click on save and proceed. So one thing to mention here, in the post graduation, in case of IRI, the IRI option is not present. If your university is not there in the list, you can click on the other and you can enter your university name. That's it. So once all these things are done, just click on save and proceed. So now it is the third stage where you have to upload all the relevant documents. So in this stage, you have to start uploading your documents one by one, starting from admit card until you can upload the final year mark sheet. So in case of admit card, we are getting the queries from students that few of the students have lost their admit card. So there are only two options now. One is to mail the NTA regarding this thing, that you have lost your admit card, and the second thing, if they are not replying you, at last what you can do is you can upload the confirmation sheet that is received from the NTA. So that is the last thing that you can do. This is the best alternative, though like whether they will accept it or not, I cannot say that, but this is the only option that is left if you don't get your admit card right now. Okay, all other things like rank card, you can upload the proof of date of birth, it is 10th marks card, and the copy of SC/ST, and this is for, this row is only for those who are having the category rank. Okay, if you have having the category rank like OBC, EWS, SC/ST, then you have to apply the relevant document in this row. Next, it's about the certificates and mark sheet. So one thing what you can do is you can just combine the 10th and 12th marks card and upload it in this row. Next, graduation mark sheet. If you have only PDC, you can upload the PDC, or if you have already received the complete mark sheet, you can upload that sheet here. And next, domicile certificate, it should be in either English or Hindi, both are fine. And few people will be getting the resident certificate instead of domicile, so this is also accepted, I guess. Like you can also upload this residential certificate in case you don't have the domicile. And next, it's Aadhaar card, you can upload the Aadhaar card and also the other number here. Next is character certificate, character or bona fide, you can upload both of this, any of this. And next we have a row called as sponsorship certificate, and this is only for in service. You need not to worry about it. The students who have completed their UG and PG need not to worry about this thing. And lastly, there is one row which asks you for final year mark sheet or grade reports, that is related to PG or master degree. So this is quite confusing. So for the UG, if you are applying for the PG, you can leave it blank, and for the PhD you can just upload the PG transcript here. So once you have uploaded all these things, just make sure to enter the certificate number. For 10th and 12th you might get the certificate number. For all other documents you can upload the application number, the roll number, whichever is relevant. Okay, so once everything is done, you can just click on proceed. So this is a final confirmation sheet that you will receive. You just cross check the things before clicking on the confirm button, because once it is clicked, you have to again mail them to make changes in this one. So make sure to check, cross verify it at least once or twice, and then click on the confirm. So if all the things are okay, then you can click on confirm and you can do the payment, which after that your choice filling can be started. And I will be also doing the payment and showing you how to do the choice filling in this video. Just stick with me until the end of the video so that you can understand all of these things. Once you have done the successful payment, you will get a confirmation message. After that, you can click on back to my application, where you can see that application status is confirmed and paid. So you can click on edit or view to view your application. So this is the confirmation page that you will receive. You can just take a printout of it. So once all these things are done, you can just click on dashboard again. So this second stage is over now. Register for seat allocation is over. You have already previewed the form and application fee payment is done. Next is course preference. So I'll just click on this course preference. So application ID is visible, the course name is visible. Now you can just click on add. So this is the choice filling page. Now you have to click on the course type first. The course type is soil science here, and the course name is also soil science. Next, I have to select the university where I want to give the first priority. Just I will be selecting the Indian Agriculture Research Institute, and I will be clicking on add. So the serial number 1 indicates that this is your first priority that you have given, and you want to pursue your PhD in soil science in the institute, Indian Agriculture Research Institute. So this is your first option, and you can also add other options, but before that make sure to click on save. So now it has been saved. Next, again you can select the same thing like soil science, course name is soil science, and the universities. So I will be just clicking on GBPAN next, and this is my second priority. So I've added my second priority, and you can add the priority likewise up to the maximum number of universities that are visible in this page. So that you can do, and you can clearly click on save at the end of the day. So after you do this, you can also change it. If you want to change the order, just drag them and keep them down or below. So in this case you can change the order. Now the priority has been changed, where the top one will be your first priority and the below one will be your next priority. So on this will be your list. So once you add all your preferences, you can interchange your preferences just by clicking the university and dragging up and below. So this is how you can change the priority list. Okay, once you do the changes, finally you can click on save. So this is the final step. You have to click on save and leave it. After 22 of October, this will be locked. See, until 22 of October night 11:59 p.m. you can change these things. Okay, until then you can do whatever you want, whatever changes that you want to do, add, delete or edit, anything you can do. So once after the date is over, you cannot do anything, and that will be the final, which you will save. Okay, so make sure to add the things now. You can shuffle it in within these 2 days, and next you can click on, you have to click on save before you log out every time. So after that, make a final list before the time is over. So these are the things that you need to take care of. I hope like I've clearly explained all the necessary things and steps that are required for your choice filling, starting from registration to fee payment and also adding the course. So if you have any queries regarding that is related to the counseling, you can always text us through the WhatsApp and also comment on these YouTube videos. And if you like our content, please support and subscribe our channel, and also share this thing with all your friends. Thank you.